Hi, I'm Natalie. The materials that we needed are a network cable tester, connectors, crimping tool, and Ethernet cable. First, I'm going to cut off the outer layer of the Ethernet cable with the crimping tool. But an alternative way by using a scissors is possible too. Remove the outer part. Then, separate the wires in the inner layer, straighten and arrange the wires according to the correct color coding.
Hi, I'm Kevin. I will show you how to crimp the Ethernet cable with a crimping tool. First, I will trim the ends of the wires to make them parallel to each other. This ensures that there will be no errors in the crimping process. Make sure all of the wires are parallel to each other. Oh, there's still some uneven edges. I'm trimming off those uneven edges to make it look neat. Check that the wires are arranged accordingly to this sequence: white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, and brown. Now, place the wires accordingly into the RJ45 connector. Grip on the wires while inserting it and push it in completely. I'm checking the sequence of the cables again. Next, I'm going to crimp one end of the cable. Ensure that a sound is heard when you crimp the cable. And it's done!
Hi, I'm Jenny. This is the first Ethernet port while this is the second Ethernet port. Now, I'll try to plug in the first part of Ethernet cable. Next is the second part of Ethernet cable. After that, I turn on the network cable tester. So how do we know that the cable is successfully created? The answer is both legs must line up together from 1 to 8. And finally, this is how we create an Ethernet cable.